The task is, I will tell you a sentence in present tense. You have to change the sentence into past tense. Are you ready?
Ready, sir.
For example, I will tell you an example. I drink milk. Let me say, I drink milk. I drank milk. That is past tense. Okay? You have to tell me the past tense. Right? Right. Now let us start. They play a game. They play a game. Yes, Paul Raj.
They played a game.
They played a game. Right. Very good. That is past tense. She tells a story. She tells a story. She told a story. That's all. Good. Right. Sit down. She speaks English. Engadravana.
She spoke English.
She spoke English. Exactly. Right. Sit down. Next. I break a glass. I break a glass. Yes.
I broke a glass.
I broke a glass. Good. Right. She teach English. She teaches English. Yes.
She taught English.
She
taught English.
She taught English. Not touch. Go? Okay, right. Good. She taught English. Good. I buy a pen. I buy a pen.
I bought a pen.
No. Give chance to others. Right. Sit down. Sit down. I buy a pen. Present tense. I bought a pen. Past tense. Next. They listen English. They listen English. They listen English. Yes.
They listened English.
They
Listened.
listen English. Good. They learn English. They learn English. Yes.
They learned English.
They learned English. Good. They learned English. Right. Sit down. I come to school. I come to school. Wait. I
Came
to
school.
yes. Once again.
I came to school.
I come to school. I came to school. Good. I come to school. Present tense. I came to school. Past tense. Right. He goes to market. He goes to market. He goes. No. Yes. Pujita.
He went to market.
He. He went to market. Good. He went to market. Right. We come to school. We come to school. Can you tell me? We come to school. Yes. We
Came to school.
came to school. We came to school. Good. Yes. I say a story. Yes.
I said a story.
I said a story. Very good. Make claps.